Hey, this is Dylan. I got my relays today, so I'm really excited, and I built this simple circuit to read and modify the memory contents of this 2-bit memory cell, which you can select between the 2 bits. So I think this capacitor is a 1, and this capacitor has a 0 in it, and sorry, my phone doesn't like to stay focused. So that means if we okay, so I have this LED here that's reading whatever capacitor is selected, and since this green wire here is connected to this capacitor right now, that's which one's selected, and you can see it's a 0 because the LED is off. So if we switch it and go to that one, the LED turns on, right? So we're reading the memory properly, and then we can also write the memory by using this green wire. So this one's a 1, just change it to a 0 real fast. And this one's also a 0, and we'll just change this one to a 1. So we flip it, and you should be able to see that the LED actually changes. So then, I'll just select the other one just to show, and it's off. You can also do, what's awesome about this that I think is really cool, is disconnecting the power. So the idea is to make it non-volatile also. So it's weird. It's like a non-volatile DRAM because it will need a refresh after a certain amount of time. Although it is a long period of time, it's non-volatile to some degree. So I disconnected the power. I mean, we could even, fiddle with the wires and stuff, change the chip, the select, and pretty much do whatever we want. And since the capacitor is only one lead of the capacitor is connected to anything because the relay's there, and the relays aren't going to trigger the capacitor's on, so it doesn't, the capacitor's data can't be modified. So what we'll do is plug the power back in. This crazy board I built over there, that used to be for my Z80 computer, but it's an obsolete board. Alright, so you can see that the LED turned on, and which is selected? This one's selected. So if you'll remember, this one in the beginning of the video was a 0, and then this one was a 1 at the beginning. And now I rewrote them so that it was flipped. So this one's a 1 and this one's a 0, and look, it's a 1. If we change the chip select, 0. And so it remembered the data even after the entire system was power cycled, which is pretty cool. I'm proud. I invented the next EEPROM. No. Okay. Well, thank you for listening, and hope to see you later.